Just kidding. There she is. Wow. This is as big as my head. Oh, it clearly had problems with the hair. Like my strands of hair, it just couldn't do it, and the supports for it, they got all janky, and the hair didn't have any support. Like it went all zigzaggy, as you see. It even did the eyelashes a little bit, but the back looks pretty nice. It has the least amount of details, and the front is struggling. This is with a 0.8 nozzle. What we have been using most of the time is a 0.4. Perhaps the 0.4 would have made the details a lot better, but this was cool to print like big and not take 2 days to print. This took 17 hours to print. Now the only question is, what the heck am I gonna do with her?